Buti ulit siya. Di ba, Tito? No choice. Anuhin yan talaga ni Grace. Strict diet.
Meron pa kami.
So, Tito, that's hope. Kasi kung gusto mong pumunta sa Pilipinas, you have to be healthy enough. Yeah.
Magpa-farm pa tayo doon, magpipish pan.
Ayan. Baka dalhin ka na ng kapatid mo doon.
Yeah.
That would be a good one. Olivia,
Okay.
how was last night?
Anong palaman to?
Chamba-chamba.
So good, Jade.
Yeah, we just finished our show. So good. Mabilis. Baka hindi kayo nag-breakfast. Oh, nasaan na yung aso?
So, Oreo.
Oreo. Oh, kay Jade. Oh,
Oh.
baby yun eh.
Just cuddling with me the whole night.
Oh.
Yeah, since I had the
Opa ha, active ka ngayon ha?
Ha?
Active ka ngayon.
Parang di masarap.
Hindi mo matikman, no?
Nauhulog eh.
Buti hindi nag-slide. Walang stopper. Buti hindi nag-slide. Ano?
Kailangan ng snapper.
Oo.
True. Do you always have a stopper? You said no. Oo na yun. You want tubig pa? You guys want tubig pa? Ha?
Parang may hinahanap akong iba pagkain. Di mas masarap.
Yung donuts. Donuts. Bawal.
Hindi, kala ko etiketa ng Coke.
Ay, no.
Ito,
I just had
etiketa ng
breakfast
Coke.
dito. Mabusog pa ako.
Ano kinain mo?
Bagel.
Really?
That's true. You guys are early riser for us.
Yeah, I woke up at 6
I will drop one.
That's a good menu.
Sa'yo na yan.
Sa akin.
Ikaw ang gumawa, ikaw kakain?
Paano ka hindi napipikon, Jade?
I know, right? Ignore lang, ignore.
I know. Konsumisyon.
Kailangan. I really want to have one of these. It's good. Then,
It's so
yeah.
good.
If you're not camping,
It's really
Maybe I'll
good.
change
You have to
your
give me the recipe.
you might change your mind if you have your own. Because it's convenient. Then you don't have to like haggle.
Oh, I thought you were talking about this.
Is it like garlic bread?
Yeah, it has spinach and artichoke and cheese. Would you like one? Hey, my pass.
Here.
I got it. Oh, is there one? Sorry.
But then make sure you don't make a mess, darling, okay?
Unang sa tinapin, lain pa naman.
Ano, sabi ko, mas masarap na ngayon, di ba? Hindi ako kuripot ngayon. On sale. Pagmangang on sale sa CD. There's a bike path right here that me and Melno actually run.
Go on.
Yeah.
So it doesn't snow much, right? You got from what you guys said yesterday, it doesn't snow much. Okay.
Parang fall lang. The whole time.
So does it get colder than 32
Hindi
degrees?
mo nalaman si Nea? Hindi si
Once in
Nea?
a while.
Ajay,
But not really.
hindi mo nalaman si Nea? Hindi mo
Working.
Nea?
Which day?
Yeah,
Monday.
sabi niya kagabi. Kagabi hindi siya.
Go put your seatbelt on, huh?
Yeah, he has his seatbelt on.
You. Sit back.
I'm gonna be helping Jade as a stewardess.
Qualified lang.
Why didn't you show us?
Ay, Jay! Ay, Beng! Pengen tubig mo mo.
Shut up.
Ano dito?
Jay, water.
You're only in economy class.
Ikaw.
Malamig, yeah.
Hindi, meron ka ano? Meron ka juice.
Merong coconut oil. May asukal.
Anong gusto mo dito?
Coconut.
Coconut?
Yung wala sure.
Ito ba? Ito ba?
Yan, yan.
No, that's a...
Oh, Kuya Bano.
Yeah. Yan.
Oh! Oh, dali, tubig mo.
Ma'am said.
Mom said.
Thank you.
Oh, sorry.
Wala, yeah. Baka pag...
Merong ano nito?
Yung A1C mo.
Wala yan. Ayaw ko
Jill,
ba?
don't be serious, honestly.